Okay, let's get started on this cutie pie door hanger. We have the Scarecrow, super duper duper cute. We're going to use our stapler, our staple gun, and a little bit of extra backing on the back to hold us together and make sure our staples don't come through to the front of this little door hanger here. So I'm going to add a couple of pieces to back us up. This was part of the August Deco Exchange Max supply box with the door hangers. Oops, actually I need those with the door hangers. I'm just going to pick it up and hold it to see where I want those staples to go. I'm going to put them right here on the edge. It's going to be perfect right there. Turn it over. And we're going to add in, so that I don't forget, let's add these now. I'm going to add some beads to the cutie pie here, make it a little bit more darling. And then I'll just coil the end and I'll show you on this other side. I didn't want to forget to do it, so I did it first. Okay, I'm Coach Melissa from the Deco Exchange Design School. I'm your coach on Thursday nights. I'm going to just add that right in here and take my stapler, nice and tight, super duper. One, nice and tight. 3 for good luck. Through this way. Make sure I add a little bit here. And then we'll coil that. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go back through that little hoop that I did. And thread it. Come back up through here. Tie. And then I'm going to take my Sharpie and coil the end. I like to just pinch over that edge first and then coil it. You can make that coil big, small. You can make it as enough space as the dowel or a dowel. I just like it nice and big like that, so that it's cute from the front. It is black. Cute, just like that. Adorable. And then one of the ribbons that came in the supply box, this is so cute, little Scarecrow. One of the ribbons that came in the supply box was this, I'm going to cut her about 23 inches, 24 inches. And it goes both ways. So it's not like the Scarecrows go both ways. So there isn't a one direction, which is cool. I like that part. So I'm just going to take that 24-inch, crisscross, just like that. And widen it a little bit. I don't want it to be too big, a little on purpose. Scrunch up that center. And then we're going to use our staples again to staple from the front to the back this time. I know that that's messy. It's not going to stay like that. We're going to fix it before we tie that together. So the monthly box comes with typically some matching pieces. It's not necessarily a supply box for a wreath kit, but lots of exclusives, matching cutie pie stuff. You see what I mean? Like the Scarecrows go both ways, so it didn't matter which way I was going to put that in. And then I saw blues. You know, fall and blues lately are the thing. And so I saw blues. So I'm going to take this little blue eucalyptus from Hobby Lobby in this little piece here. So I'm just kind of pulling together what I had extra. And again, this ribbon came in the supply box, and so did this Max piece here. Or I'm sorry, door hanger. Okay. I'm going to add, I saw raffia. When I saw this, I saw raffia. I saw a cutie pie little scarecrow and raffia, but I think it's adorable. So we're going to add it. It's going to be messy, and that's okay. We're going to add some to the back, and we're going to add some to the front. All right, so I have a wire here. I'm sorry, a eucalyptus here, a eucalyptus here. I took 2 pieces off of, so I liked the brighter color with the green. I took that off of here. Plenty still left, right? Oops, plenty still left. So I'm going to go raffia, this piece, this piece, cut that shorter, go the other side, cut that shorter, create a cute little spot here for my bow to go. Darling. We're gonna zip tie this together, and then we will be stapling it down, but just to have it stay together as a whole, we're gonna zip tie it. Makes it easier, a little more secure that way. Nice and tight. I'll go right up here. Bow's going to go right on top of it. We're going to add a little bit of raffia on top of that bow. I like pulling it apart because I like the kind of more wispy look to the raffia. You can leave it the way it was, right? You can totally leave it the way it was. But I like it being a little bit more wispy. So I pull it apart a little bit. And then let's get these all even, so we can start our loopies. I'm going to go just like that. Again, if you don't like this raffia, you do not have to add it. And I don't have enough to keep going back and forth, so I'm going to leave it there. Cut off the ends. Don't cringe, I'm going to add another zip tie. And wait till you see what we're going to add to the center. It's going to be super cute. Darling. Super cute. It's going to go right up here to the top. So I'm going to flip it around so it's closer to me, so I don't have to reach over you. Okay, right up here. Now I know you can see the zip tie still. I know. Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to come right up underneath here and grab my stapler. And start stapling through. So that they don't move. Probably 3 for good luck, right? Why not? for you over on this side. Just making sure I'm getting that wire to those florals, or to those pieces there. And it's going in through the wood. I think 2 for that side is good. And then, watch how cute this is going to be. Okay, I'm going to put it back towards me. I just wanted to make sure I was looking at it the right way. And then, remember I saw blue. Okay, I saw blue. So I'm going to take this, just the head of them. I'm not sure if we only need 2. We do only need 2. So then I'm going to just glue this little piece right up into the bow, right up into it. A decent amount of glue to get up in there so it stays and attaches to the wood, attaches to the pipe cleaner or the zip tie, attaches to the raffia, attaches to the whole thing. Super, 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 super cute. Love, love that. Scarecrow ribbon is darling. Actually, that's not enough. I want it to glue to everything. I don't want it to come off of there. And I want it to hide the zip tie. That is so stinking cute. The supply box comes with 3 door hangers. The Max box comes with 3 door hangers. This one was my favorite of the 3. And I love adding that raffia, bringing it together. Look at that. That's darling. That is super cute. Y'all, I'm Melissa from Sincerely Creative Mom. I'm one of the coaches from Thursday nights, actually, inside the Deco Exchange design school. Let me trim that a little bit so it's not too crazy. We're live 6 days a week. I'm pretty sure 6 days a week. Lots and lots of really cool things going on in design school. You know, little projects, big projects, different lessons. Doesn't necessarily have to be a different project every time. Sometimes the lesson is different every time. Lots of things going on. I sincerely, no pun intended, I sincerely hope that you are checking out the design school and all that we offer. You can find that over at learn.themakersuniversity.com. And until I see you next time, I hope you enjoyed this cute little girl. See you soon. Bye, y'all.